Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your cruise experts, and today I'm on board Carnival's brand new beautiful Mardi Gras. Now this particular category is a Cloud 9 balcony stateroom. You can book it right on harrtravel.com. We've got those interactive deck plans. You can pick the exact room or suite that's perfect for you or your family. Now in this particular space, you're gonna get all those extra Cloud 9 spa amenities. So you're gonna have access to the thermal suite. You can use it throughout your stay here on board. You're gonna have the slippers and extra comfy robes as well. A couple complimentary exercise classes. But if you are someone who loves the spa, this is a perfect choice for you. Now let me show you the room. As soon as you enter the door, you're gonna have this power saving feature. So make sure you put your key card right there. It's gonna activate all the electrical in the room. Right here, you're gonna have your storage. So I love that they have these shelves that you can customize as you like. All you have to do is slide up and then you can put it down and adjust up and down. You're gonna have your safe right there, not quite big enough for a laptop, but perfect for your keys, wallet, passports, things like that. And then I love that they have these drawers that slide out, and also at the bottom, this is gonna slide out as well. A really nice extra feature. Now continuing through, you're gonna have more storage over here. So you've got hanging storage all the way up and down. And in here's where you're gonna find those extra comfy robes. But once again, you can see there's quite a bit of space. Directly across, you're gonna find the bathroom. So in here, you've got the toilet tucked in the corner. You've got your sink and vanity right here, a little bit of storage underneath, magnifying mirror. And as I step in, I really like the way that they've done this here. So I am 6'6", I'm a really big guy. I've got enough room to move around. You've got the adjustable shower wand that goes up and down, and those upgraded Elemis bath amenities. Now as we head into the main part of the stateroom, you can see you have a nice large comfy bed right here. You can separate it out into two twin beds if you would like. I do like that they've got reading lamps on either side with USB chargers, perfect for charging your phone overnight. Now directly across from the bed, you're gonna find a large flat panel TV. It is interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship and watch television. Continuing through the space, you're gonna find the large sofa. It also doubles as a bed, so if you have more than 2 passengers in here, this is gonna convert out into the beds. And then directly across, you've got a nice large backlit vanity, so you can use this as a small writing desk, or you can sit here to get ready. You've got 3 US plugs, 4 USB chargers, something you would expect from a nice modern ship like this. Storage up above, more drawer storage down below, and then just tucked in the corner, you're gonna find your mini fridge. Now we're out on your private veranda. You've got 2 chairs and a table here. It's perfect for a nice cup of coffee in the morning, maybe having that breakfast, or a cocktail glass of wine in the evening. Now the whole purpose, of course, of getting a balcony is to have your own private space. Take advantage of the beautiful ocean views. Now when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite, check out harrtravel.com. We are your cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Carnival and their sister brands, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.